Guys, this is Jim. And Jim isn't happy right now. Now, do you know why Jim is not happy? It's because he started a new Amazon account and he used a launch service. And now he's banned. Don't be like Jim. All right, I'm going to give you guys my general opinion on launch services. So for the past year and a half, I have not been an advocate and I've never used a launch service. But there have been people that have successfully used it for a long time, and it can help increase your sales and keyword ranking on a specific keyword. But there's things that are changing. So I knew from a fundamental level basis that these launch services won't last for very long. But before I get into explaining why that is and why you shouldn't use them, maybe I'll explain why and how these services actually work so you guys can understand what's going on so that you can make better decisions about how you're going to launch your product. So essentially the way that these launch services work is they have a giant list of customers, and these customers are just there for deals. And basically what they would do is they would give you 90% off coupon, or you would generate 90% off coupons, and then they would blast this out to their list of people. And then of course the people like to get products at 90% off, and then this is what they would do. Essentially what they would be doing then is using a two-step URL. So essentially a URL that's going to increase the sales rank of that product for a given keyword. And now so these aren't real purchases. They're just people who are looking for a sweet deal, and it's in my opinion, it's quite obviously manipulation of the search algorithm. Say it how you want. I mean, all two-step URLs are, but when it's done in this service, like, you know, with a large group of people that are always buying through these URLs, it starts to get more dangerous, because if Amazon starts to crack down on it, those are the first ones to come, in my opinion. So now what they're doing is new accounts that use these launch services, there's reports of people getting suspended for this, and that's not something you want to run into. So apparently if you have a larger or older account, it's not happening as of this date, but this is May 14th. I will not be updating this, but I will just be giving my blanket warning to not be using launch services at all. Use them at your own risk, and you'll have to do your own research to think if it's a good decision for yourself. Further evidence of this is that Ed Rosenberg posted in his Facebook group, which is called Amazon Sellers Group. Pretty good group. I suggest that you guys join it because he's dedicated basically his entire life to fighting for our rights as sellers, but also helping people get unsuspended. And it's just like has so much data. So he's always looking at all the verbiage that Amazon uses. And he's saying that he's seen an increase or a new use of Amazon talking about the misuse of ratings, feedback, or reviews. Not new, but misuse of sales rank. That is very different. Misuse of search and browse. And then now it says prohibited behaviors on Amazon include, but are not limited to, hiring third-party services to try and improve ASIN rank and or reviews. That's not Gucci. So this means that they're onto this, and they're specifically pointing out third parties to do this. I mean, this is just, it can't get any more black or white to me. So if you're doing it currently, you're lucky if you haven't gotten caught. Just think about this as time goes on and Amazon cares about Amazon advertising and the growth and trust of their platform. How long will this last? And why put your business at risk? Just learn how to do it the right way with social media ads and with Amazon PPC, which is the way that I suggest, and just making a good product. There are no shortcuts in life. You know, there's no shortcut to success. It just takes hard work. So focus on that and your time and efforts on that instead of worrying about how do I manipulate and will I get in trouble. That at the end of the day doesn't really help build your business. So hope that this was helpful. If you guys have your opinions and comments or anything that's happened to you or others with launch services, comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.